You have bread, you have milk, you have eggs. Everything is fine. You put it all on the belt. You wait, you breathe. The cashier scans your things. She looks at you. She says something. Fast. One sentence. Maybe 2 words. You hear a sound, but not the words. And your brain stops. You smile. You say, "Sorry?" She repeats it, still fast, still unclear. The person behind you sighs. The person behind them looks at their phone. And you are standing there, numb with bread and milk and eggs, trying to survive a supermarket in English. You know this feeling. Maybe it was a bag. Do you need a bag? Maybe it was a card. Cash or card. Maybe it was something you had never heard before. It doesn't matter what it was. What matters is your brain froze. Not because you're stupid, not because your English is bad, because real life is faster than a textbook. Today, we walk through the supermarket together, step by step. What to say, what people will ask, how to answer. Simple English, not perfect English. The kind you can use tomorrow. In class, English is clean, quiet, slow. In a supermarket, English is different. There is music, there is noise. People are moving, the cashier is busy, and your brain has too many jobs. Listen to the cashier, find your money, remember your PIN, put things in the bag, move fast, don't block the line. That is too much. So the brain drops something, usually the English. The answer is not to learn more words. The answer is to have ready phrases. Phrases your brain doesn't have to build. They are already there, waiting. Today we use 5 steps. Find, ask, choose, pay, answer. That's the whole supermarket. Let's start. You walk in, you take a basket, you look at your list, and you say it in English, in your head, or out loud. I need bread, I need milk, I need eggs, I need some fruit, I need water, I need chicken. Say it with me. I need bread, I need milk, I need eggs. This is already speak and practice. Your real life is your English lesson. You don't need a classroom to practice. You need a supermarket and a list. Say the items out loud when you shop, in English, every time. Bread, milk, eggs, apples, water. Small habit, big result. You're looking for something. You walk around. You see tea, you see sugar, but not what you need. So you ask, "Excuse me, where's the bread?" That's it. One question. The worker says, "Aisle 3. An aisle is the long space between the shelves. Aisle 3. Aisle 5. Over there. On the left. On the right. You say, "Thank you," and you go. 2 phrases, 1 question, 1 answer. Let's practice. Say with me, "Excuse me, where's the bread?" Again, "Excuse me, where is the milk?" One more, "Excuse me, where can I find rice?" Good. You don't need long English. You need 1 good question. You found the apples. There are 2 kinds. One is cheap, one is expensive. You say to yourself, "This one is cheaper." You take the cheaper one. You see 2 bottles of water. One is big, one is small. I want the small one. Simple, clear, done. Here are 6 words that help you choose. Cheap, expensive, fresh, small, big, on sale. Say them with me. Cheap, expensive, fresh, small, big, on sale. Now use them. This one is fresh. This one is too expensive. I want the big one. Is this on sale? You do not need to know every word in the store. You only need words for your choice. Sometimes you can't find something. Sometimes a worker comes to you. Sometimes you are confused. These phrases help. Excuse me. Can you help me? I'm looking for coffee. Do you have this? Sorry, I don't understand. Can you say that again, please? Quick scene. You can't find coffee. You walk around. You see everything except coffee. So you stop a worker. Excuse me, can you help me? I'm looking for coffee. The worker says, yes, aisle 6. You say, thank you. No panic, no big grammar, no perfect sentences, just useful English. Say with me, excuse me, can you help me? I'm looking for coffee. Again, I'm looking for rice. Good. Asking for help is not weak. It is normal. Native speakers ask for help too, every day, in every supermarket. This is the moment. The cashier, the line, the questions. Let's go through them one by one. Question 1. Do you need a bag? Answer, yes, please. Or, no, thank you. Question 2. Cash or card? Answer, card, please. Or, cash, please. Question 3. Do you have a loyalty card? Answer, no, I don't. Or, yes, here you go. Question 4. Would you like a receipt? Answer, no, thank you. Or, yes, please. Now, let's do the full checkout together. Cashier. Hi. You. Hi. Cashier. Do you need a bag? You. Yes, please. Cashier. Cash or card? You. Card, please. Cashier. Do you have a loyalty card? You. No, I don't. Cashier. Would you like a receipt? You. No, thank you. Cashier. Have a nice day. You. Thanks. You too. Say your lines with me, out loud. Yes, please. Card, please. No, I don't. No, thank you. Thanks. You too. Again, faster. Yes, please. Card, please. No, I don't. No, thank you. Thanks. You too. That's the whole checkout, in 5 answers. Let's put it all together. One simple story. Listen first, then say it with me. Today, I went to the supermarket. I took a basket. I needed bread, milk, eggs, and apples. I found the milk, but I could not find the bread. So I asked a worker, "Excuse me, where is the bread?" He said, "Aisle 3. I said, "Thank you." Then I chose some apples. They looked fresh. I took the small bag. At the checkout, the cashier asked, "Do you need a bag?" I said, "Yes, please." I paid by card. She said, "Have a nice day." I said, "Thanks, you too." That was it. Now say it with me, just the key phrases. Excuse me, where's the bread? These apples look fresh. Yes, please. Card, please. Thanks, you too. This is how English becomes real. Not from big lessons, from small daily moments. When things go wrong, use these. Sorry, can you say that again? Sorry, I don't understand. Can you speak slowly, please? One moment, please. I'm still learning English. These are not embarrassing. Supermarkets are noisy. People speak fast. Sometimes you won't understand. That is okay. The goal is not to be perfect. The goal is to stay calm. Because when you stay calm, your English stays alive. Go to the comments right now. Write your shopping list in English. Use this pattern. I need bread, milk, eggs, and apples. Or make your own, your list, your food, your English. One sentence. Right now. Going to the supermarket in English is not about shopping. It's about one small real-life win. Today, you learn the road. Next time, your brain does not freeze because it knows what to say. The cashier asks, "Do you need a bag?" And you say, "Yes, please." Just like that. No panic, no frozen brain, no red face. Just shopping. Don't wait for perfect English. Use simple English in real life, starting now. Go to the channel, pick the next story, keep listening, keep speaking. The playlist is waiting.